this video, I'm going to show you how to create a voice chat logs text channel for your voice chats on Discord. As you can see, I'm in my test server. In order to do this, you're going to need a bot, and this bot is known as the Circle bot. Subscribe if you find this tutorial useful, and let's begin. You're going to want to go to the website circlebot.xyz and click the login button on the top right, and you're going to get this window over here. As you can see right here, we've got Circle wants to access your Discord account. It's completely safe. Click on authorize, and you're going to click close, and from there we're going to go back to our browser. We're going to click on the Discord icon here, and we're going to click on dashboard. After this, as you can see right here, we've got these servers. We've got the Droid Time test server. I'm going to click on it. Once again, we got this here, and we're going to click continue. And we've got all these options. We're going to click authorize, and we're going to click close. And as you can see, the Circle bot is here. Now it's got its own dedicated role. You can actually give it its own role separately for cosmetic or whatever. You could give it a bot role if you've created that. But from here, what we're going to do is we're going to click create channel, and we're just going to type in voice logs. I'm going to make it a private channel. You can make it public if you want. That's completely up to you either way. And we're going to include Circle here, and we're going to click create channel, and there it is. We went back to the CircleBot dashboard, and we can see the logging option here. We're going to click on that, and we're going to click enable logging, and then it's going to take us over here, and we're going to scroll down just a little bit, and we're going to see the voice channel join, voice channel leave, and voice channel switch. And you've got all these other options. It can log basically everything. Once we do that, we're going to go to the top real quick, and we're going to select the voice logs chat that we created. Then we're going to click save, and then we're good to go. As you can see, we're back over here. I'm going to click join the general chat, and you can see it's officially been logged. You can have this as an embed or a compact message, whatever works for you. But that's how you create voice chat logs. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and please subscribe.